How much does a patent cost? Everything you need to know. A patent can cost from $900 for a do-it-yourself application to between $5,000 and $10,000 plus with the help of patent lawyers. A patent protects an invention, and the cost of the process to get the patent will depend on the type of patent, provisional, non-provisional, or utility, and the complexity of the invention. Patent costs vary based on many factors, including the patent application type. You'll find two key types of patent applications: a provisional patent application and a non-provisional patent. A provisional patent is a preliminary patent that lasts for 12 months while you file your non-provisional patent. Filing a provisional patent application can cost as low as $65. However, provisional patent applications typically cost between $5,000 and $9,000, plus legal fees. A non-provisional patent, also called a utility patent, is a full patent which protects an inventor's intellectual property for as long as the patent is in effect. Filing a non-provisional patent application is more expensive and costs about $900. This total also includes search and review, as well as examination fees, which cost around $220. Once you add legal fees, non-provisional patents usually cost between $8,000 and $15,000 or more. The simpler your invention, the less it will cost to patent. As your inventions get more complex, the cost rises. A design patent is another, more limited patent option, which protects a product's unique appearance only. With legal fees for preparation and filing, getting a design patent usually costs between $2,500 and $3,000, including a $140 examination fee. A plant patent is one that people who discover and reproduce a plant can use. Filing a plant patent application costs between $360 and $720. The examination fees for a plant patent are $170. Including these costs, legal fees, and other charges, a plant patent typically costs between $4,660 and $7,620. Other factors that can impact patent cost include the size of the business or the type of person applying for a patent, the invention's technology, market opportunities for the invention, similar products with patents and geography. While the USPTO decides if an invention is original by using its own patent search, many inventors pay between $1,000 and $3,000 for professional patent searches before they send their applications. Legal fees may also go higher if a client needs a lot of patent prosecution during the application's patent pending phase. To learn more about the costs of getting a patent or starting the process, post your legal questions to UpCounsel's Marketplace to get free custom quotes from patent lawyers.